Are you a Pro AV consultant or a system integrator who is evaluating intercom gateways that allow to take advantage of the existing IP infrastructure? Then this video is for you. The Barix Annuncicom MPI400 is a PoE-powered intercom gateway device used for bidirectional transmission of high-quality audio over standard IP networks. Functionality includes intercom, background music, voice announcements, scheduled messaging, and SIP voice-over IP interfacing, all at the same firmware and in high-quality audio. The differentiating features of the Annuncicom MPI400 versus its predecessors is the highly increased audio quality. The device is perfect for background music, but also supports OPUS Codec, the latest standard in high-quality audio and voice transmission over SIP. A second major improvement is that the new Barix Annuncicom MPI400 follows the latest security standards, including secure HTTPS, secure RTP, and secure SIP, allowing it to seamlessly integrate with the SIP voice-over IP servers. Let's take a look at the device. On the front panel, we have stages LEDs, a headphone output connection, and two USB interfaces. On the back panel, we have a reset button, a LAN PoE connector, contact closure inputs, relay outputs, line and microphone speaker support. The two general-purpose contact closure inputs can be used to establish or to accept a SIP call. The two relay outputs can be controlled via UDP or via SIP DTMF. The device allows live communication with individual or multiple locations using the existing standard IP infrastructure. Barix intercom paging protocols are supported too. Common mass emergency notification systems, Informacast and Synapse, are supported too. The Annuncicom MPI400 is used in a wide variety of applications, including schools, factories, business campuses, museums, and train stations. It is also the ideal intercom gateway for environments with elevated security requirements. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our Barix YouTube channel to stay tuned with our latest news. If you have a project for intercom and paging over IP, please contact us at support@barix.com.